Hello, my name is Sophia Lemoglia. I am the founder of Whoopsie mobile app. I have been working with Trango Tech for a couple years due to some bumps in the road on my end, not theirs whatsoever. Saad Amir has been my project manager, who has been very, very helpful for me. I'm not so tech savvy and has helped me in numerous ways to help me get this finished and created and done. Trango has been an amazing company, very kind people. They've always been there for me, answered all my calls, text messages, Google Meets, everything I ever needed. They're a very creative team. They work very fast. It was only on my behalf that it took a little bit longer than normal. I had my own issues, but Trango was fabulous. And it has been my absolute pleasure to work with Saad Amir. Like I said, he helped me through many different bumps in the road, and I'm deeply appreciative of that. And I would recommend Trango Tech to anyone that wants to start up a mobile app or has a great idea. This is a great company to work with, and I would just like to say thank you and show my appreciation.